DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like this week na una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJM TV.
You were also injured? No, you were not. There was another person that was injured who is not here. This is a classical example. This was cutlass wound. Axe. Battle axe. Because he dared to say that people should vote for PDP. That people should vote Godwin Obaseki for governor on the platform of the PDP. So enemies of progress decided to snuff the life out of him. But they did not succeed. Come this way so that you, both of you record it. Come this way. The reason I'm asking you to stay here is so that you know that the people here are behind you. Please get them. So, Eva family, this community of Edo Volunteer Voters Assembly, identified with our brother who was a canvasser and agent in Ologbo. Which ward, which unit?
10.
Ward 10.
Unit 1.
Unit 1.
13.
13 and 15. Yes. So enemies of progress represented by the EPM, because it's really not APC. And Slemo Jesua is the recognized leader of APC. Yes. And they have congratulated Governor Obaseki. Yes. And they have said that they did not have a hand in what Izeyamu, Oshomole, Kabaka, Kateosa, and their cohorts were doing. You can see the level of violence that enemies of progress unleashed on these agents. My brother Eva stands with you. We are with you. The governor is aware of this. And we want to tell you that you are not alone. Before you leave, we will be giving you assistance to cover up for the treatment that you have received and then further treatment. And I can assure you, very soon you will get to meet the governor. Please, let's celebrate this hero. As far as I'm concerned, so when you are asking, you are looking for those who paid the price. When we say the people themselves owned this process, this is a classical example. It was willing to defend the vote. This is a testimony, a living testimony of the degree of ownership that the people had for that election. And we know that this effort, this sacrifice, will not be in vain. It will translate to better governance for Edo State. Amen. It will translate to more effective public service delivery for Edo State. Amen. And finally, it will be a reminder of the effort that the people made to chase away godfathers from Edo and Nigeria politics. Amen. God bless you, my brother. Please sit down.
my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, abeg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this.
DJM TV. DJM TV.